Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In C++, classes are a fundamental part of object-oriented programming, OOP. They allow you to encapsulate data and functions that operate on that data. In C++, it's common to separate the class definition, header file, from the implementation, source file. #### structure of a C++ class. One header file, .h or .hpp, this file contains the class definition, including member variables and function declarations. 2 source file, .cpp, this file contains the implementation of the member functions declared in the header file. #### example, a simple rectangle class. Let's create a simple rectangle class that calculates the area and perimeter of a rectangle. Step 1, create the header file rectangle.h. Explanation **. We use #ifndef, #define, and #endif to prevent multiple inclusions of the header file. The class rectangle has 2 private member variables, width and height. We declare a constructor and several public member functions, getters for width and height, and methods to calculate area and perimeter. Step 2, create the source file rectangle.cpp. Explanation *. We include the corresponding header file. The constructor initializes the member variables. Each member function is defined outside the class using the scope resolution operator ::. Step 3, create the main file main.cpp. Explanation *. We include the necessary headers and our custom rectangle class. Input is taken from the user for the dimensions of the rectangle. A rectangle object is created, and we then call the area and perimeter methods to display the results. Compiling and running the code. To compile the code, you can use a command line interface. Assuming you have G++ installed, you can compile the files like this. Then run the executable. ###summary. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of creating a class in C++, how to separate the class definition and implementation into header and source files, and how to use that class in a main program. This structure helps keep your code organized and makes it easier to manage larger projects.